In this video, I will show you how you can be destroyed, and we have some fade out that whenever we get to be destroyed, the fade out will happen and it will be restarted. Let's see how we can do that. For doing that, let's just go to BP player. Whenever we decrease our health, event any damage happen, at the end we want to check the health. If it is less than 0, what to do? So in here we get the health and we check if it is less or equal than 0. Of course it won't go less than 0, but if it is equal to 0, in that case we want to check it with the branch, right? If it is equal to 0, what we want to do, we want to have some explosion. But before doing that, because we want to reset our game whenever player get to be dead, first we want to get our capsule, right, and set collision on it to have no collision, so we don't see any damage done anymore, right? After that, we want to set the visibility of our ship and our fire sprite to be none. So we get our ship sprite and we say set visibility to none, just like this. We want the fire of the engine to be none as well, the visibility of it to be none as well. So get the fire and connect it to here. It will set the visibility to for both of these ship and its engine fire to false. Next, we want to have some explosion. So in here we can say spawn actor from a class, choose one of the explosions, so search for explosions. We have a big explosion that we want to use for our player, and for the transform of this spawn actor class, we want to right click, get actor transform, just like that. We need just its location and rotation, so right click on it, split the strike pin and connect the location and rotation. That's all we need to do to connect it to here. Now with that, let's just test it. Now if you run and they shoot at us, let's see what will happen. And that's it. Let me show it one more time. If we go here, we have 2 points of health. Let's see, it shoots at us. And that's it. We are destroyed, but we have engine sound. So we need to fix that. If you go to BP player, for engine audio, get the audio and in here search for set. You can see there is lots of things in here, but the one that I want to use is set active. We want it deactivated, right? The new active, we want it to be false. Just with that, if we hit compile, let's just hit this and know if the enemy shoot at us, let's see what will happen. Destroyed both of them, and now the engine sound will go away as well. Now with that, if the player get to be destroyed, we want to reset the game, and for doing that, to make it looks more natural, we want to fade out. So for doing that, we should get the player camera manager, and with this there is a node inside it that is called start camera fade, right? So with this, we can fade out the camera from 0 to 1, right? For the duration, I want to put 1 second there, and the color black is good, but you can decide what you want to do. Next thing that we should do in here, we should tell it to hold when finished, right? Just check that. And with that done, let's just test it. If you go to our level, I want to create more of these meteor, hold Alt and drag, and it will create more of these meteor. Now, let's just save and run. These meteors hit us. And now you can see it is fading out. But when it hit us again, what is happening is that again it start over and start fading out, right? What is the problem? The problem is on capsule we are getting damage, event any damage. But on the ship, if you select it, you can see On ship sprite as well, we are getting damage. On fire, we are getting damage as well, the engine fire, right? So for both of these ship sprite, we want to set the collision preset to no collision, and for the fire as well, we want to set it to no collision as well. That's it. Let's compile, save. Now let's see what will happen. If we run, let's just collide with this one, collide, and now let's just collide with this one as well to get destroyed. And now you can see it will fade out and it will stay fading out. But one problem we have, if we run, they hit us, now you can see the player. We can move as well, and the enemy by its health bar is going toward us, and you can see we can move. This is a problem that we should fix, and we have some bugs as well, right? But for now, the fade out is working fine. We'll fix those problems later. But before doing that, after fading out, we want to delay for example, 2 seconds. So search for delay for 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds. For me, 2 seconds is good. We want to get the current level name, get current level name. And with that, we want to open the level again. With this, we can reset our game just like that, connected like this. Now we are reopening our game. Let's see what will happen if I go to this and collide with these ones. Let's see what will happen. Collide with these as well, and we get to be destroyed, and now the game will be restart. Now you can see everything is working fine, and the fade out is happening, and restarting the game will happen as well.